Hi everyone, Namaste. I'm Lisa. So this is a practice I wanted to share with you that will allow you to experience the power of Savasana or corpse pose. This is the resting pose that you will experience normally at the end of a yoga class. You can also start with it, but I'd like us to have a very healing time together on the mat and for you to experience the restorative power of doing nothing. I know most of us, that's a difficult concept to allow ourselves to completely let go and do nothing, but it is very powerful and healing. It will boost your immune system. It will help cultivate mindfulness in your life, patience, and gratitude. So all you need is a mat. You don't even need a mat really. You can put a blanket down, and you don't even need yoga pants for this practice. Allow yourself to wear anything comfortable. Take a moment to quiet your surroundings, turn off the TV, the computer. Really dedicate this time just for you to experience the power of doing nothing. Maybe light a candle, anything that helps you surround yourself in serenity as we share this practice of Savasana together. It has also been studied, the longer you do allow yourself to stay in Shavasana, the more powerful the benefits are. So all you need is to lie all the way down on your back once you have everything set up for yourself. Go ahead and bring your shoulders, your head all the way down. Good. Allow yourself to extend the left foot towards the left corner of your mat, the right foot towards the right corner of your mat. Good. And go ahead and walk the shoulders away from the ears. Extend your arms out a little bit away from the body with the palms facing up. Close the eyes. Take a deep inhale through the nose and an exhale out of the mouth. Twice more. Big breath in. Fill up all the way. Exhale out of the mouth, dropping into your body. Let the bones become heavy. One more big breath in. Big breath out, relaxing the jaw. Allow your tongue to fall from the roof of your mouth. Allow the skin to soften on the forehead, on the face. Dropping into your body even deeper as you feel your spine, the whole back of the body supported on the earth. Allow the breath to be soft and allow yourself to scan the body with the breath. I'd like you to take a visual journey, picturing a bright light at the top of your head. This light is so bright, it's brighter than the sun. Very healing energy, and instantly relaxes every corner of the body as it moves through the top of the head, into the body, relaxing the forehead, relaxing the eyes, the nose, relaxing your mouth, your jaw, relaxing the neck, the ears, relaxing the shoulders, the chest, relaxing the arms, feeling the backs of the arms on the earth, bones becoming even heavier. Relaxing the wrists, the palms of the hands, and each finger. Relaxing the heart space, relaxing the belly, relaxing the shoulder blades, the entire spine. As the light moves down throughout the body, relaxing the hips, the tops of the legs, the backs of the legs, relaxing the knees, the shins, the calves. As the light moves down the legs, relaxing the ankles, the heels of the feet, the tops of the feet, and each toe. And as the light exits the body, it takes with it all that no longer serves your highest good. And you feel yourself enveloped by the light. In complete peace, in complete safety. I am peace, and I am safe. I am peace, and I am safe. The light is brighter in between the eyebrows, at your third eye. Nourishing the body, raising the vibration of every cell in the body, restoring wholeness, restoring balance, restoring peace, restoring clarity. I give myself permission to do nothing. Begin to deepen your breath. Take a big breath into your heartbeat. And an easy exhale out of the mouth. Come back into your body from wherever you went. Breathe deeply into your heart as you begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Bring the feet together. Slowly bend your right knee, plant the foot on the earth. Bend your left knee, plant the foot on the earth. Take your right arm over your head and roll your body all the way to the right. Rest your head on your arm. Bring your knees in towards you, coming into a fetal position shape on your mat. Take a deep breath into your heart space. And a big exhale. Feeling gratitude to yourself for nourishing your mind, your body, and your spirit. We cannot give from an empty cup. So important to come and arrive on your mat and give yourself this nourishment. And then slowly press your way up. Nice and slowly, carefully come into a easy seat. Rest your palms on your knees for a moment. As the spine grows tall, take a deep breath in and a big breath out. Experience the shift in your energy within and around you. Bring your palms together at your heartbeat. And come back to this practice as the soul calls for this healing, for this rest. The powerful practice of Savasana, may it serve you well. Thank you for joining me in this practice. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Shanti means peace, 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 peace. Be with you always. Namaste.